Why cheerleading is a sport? This has been a constant debate whether cheerleading is a sport or not. There is very valid evidence for both sides of the argument. Cheerleaders are commonly seen on the sidelines at football and basketball games, supporting their teams. Fans just see them as other people supporting their team. However, the cheerleaders have to go through rigorous training and practice all the time to perfect the routines displayed at games. Along with cheering on the sidelines at games, most cheerleading squads participate in heavy competitions to show their athleticism. Although it is not officially defined as a sport by the NCAA or high school associations, it obviously should be for many different reasons. You have to be able to either lift and toss or be lifted and be tossed. The ones being tossed have to trust their lives with the people assigned to catch them. If they are misplaced, a neck could easily be snapped and a life could easily be lost. In fact, approximately 6,000 cheerleaders get injured in cheer-related accidents, more than any other sport-like activity in the world. They get judged, they compete, they have to stay conditioned. What could possibly make them not a sport?